So to create your own blog posts website, just click on create new site from the Wix dashboard. And then you can chat with AI if you want. I'm going to set up without chat, but that would make it so much easier. Here, just type here blog and then click on continue. Just wait for Wix to prepare your dashboard. And then once Wix has prepared your dashboard, all you want to do is to click on design site right here. And then you can choose between customize a template where you can work with a template that Wix will provide you. And then, or you can also generate a design with AI. I do recommend this sometimes, but this could be hard and it takes time to actually get the design that you want. So I'm just going to pick a template. It's also easier to work with templates that are already existing and you can visualize how your blog would look. And then from here, just click on any kind of filter that you want. But I'm just going to browse through here and just try to find a template that you really like. Once you found one, just click on edit so you can edit the design. And this will take you to the Wix website editor. So from the Wix website editor, you can do a lot of things here. Just wait for all of it to load. So let's do a quick navigation first. From in the left hand side, this is where you will see all of your tools. And then here at the top, you can see site. This is where you access your settings. And then you can also edit in desktop mode or mobile mode just to make it easier for you to visualize how it would look like in different devices. If you want to edit your site, you can click on a section. If you want to edit a piece of your site, you can just click on a section and then hit quick edit. And then from here, you can edit a paragraph, like different components of the section. But if you want to edit a specific text, just you can simply click on that section and then click on the text that you want to edit and then hit add text or edit text. And then here you will be able to find different styles for your headings like this. You could choose anything that you want, and then you can also choose fonts and different text formats. You can also add some effects and character line spacing. And if you want to make it, for example, you want to add a text here but doesn't really know what to add, you can just click generate text with AI, which I highly recommend because this is so easy to use actually, and it doesn't sound or feel robotic at all. And then you can also add text link here, which I think is also really helpful if you want to have that clickable link. If you want to remove a certain section from the blog, for example, I don't want to have this section in here, you can just hit on edit and it will delete that section. And if you want to add section, you can click on this add section from the left menu. And then here you'll be able to find different types of section that you can add. You can click on welcome section, about, theme, contact, promotion, anything that you really want to add. And then here you will see different templates for that certain section. So for example, I want to change my or I want to add a welcome page. I'm going to add this welcome to our site section and then just drag and drop in here. And then from here, you can again click on edit and then you can change that section's background. For example, let's change it to an image like that. As you can see, it fits our aesthetic now rather than that black one. And then you can as well change the paragraph. As you can see, we also have a button in this is what I've been telling you earlier regarding the hyperlink that you can just add here. This is a button that when you click it, you can link it to a website. Okay, so now let's try to add some elements to our website just to not make it look plain. You can add different kinds of elements. You can add an image, a button, a strip, a anything that is decorative. But I think one of the things that you have to really learn here is the button. I think this one is one of the most important to learn. So let's try adding a button somewhere around, I guess, here. Okay, so again, just drag and drop, and then I'm going to edit this button, and let's change the text to grow now. And then you can choose a link. You can choose a page, web address, section, top or bottom of the page, document. But I think one of the most feature that we would use is the web address. You can, for example, type your YouTube channel right here and then hit on it done. Once you do that, if we go to the preview of our website, you can click this button and it will take you to the site that you have just copy pasted or the site that you hyperlinked. And yeah, let's go back to editor. You can also add pages like in this blog section. You can see all the pages are hyperlinked here at the heading as well, which you can just click on, and then here you already have your blog posts. Again, you can edit this section by clicking on quick edit, or you can add a section. You can also add a blank section if you want. As you can see, you have like different options right here. You can have a design section, or basically you're just going to choose another template. You can do AI section generator, and you can also add certain elements one by one or manually. So for this example, let's try doing the AI. Let's just follow one of the prompts here. Let's say a variety of yoga styles, and let's hit on generate. And let's just see what it's going to generate for us. This AI WIX is actually very, very helpful. It is also very smart when it comes to designing your site. And here you can see all the different kinds of design that it generated for us based on the text that we entered. So again, just drag and drop here. You can also change the text that you ask the AI to generate whenever you feel like it. And if you think that you're satisfied with this design, you can just leave it like that. Yeah, I'm just gonna delete that one because I don't think it fits my aesthetic. But let's go back to the homepage. You can easily access your pages right here, by the way. And then in the site design, you can change your site theme. You can change the theme, like you have different kinds of themes that you can choose from in here. Let's try changing it to green or the mature. Just you can play around with any design that you think would fit your site. And then you have your color themes, text themes, page background. And then here you can have the Wix app market, or wherein you can integrate different kinds of sites to your blog. But I don't think you're going to need this thing a lot, because this is usually used for market integrations only, or when you have a Wix store. And then this one as well. This one is also another feature that you can use. You can have photo studio or video maker whenever you want to add an image or any video file to your blog post. And then here are the CMS, or where you can manage your site content. And that's basically all the features that you're going to need the most when you're creating a blogging page. Once you're satisfied, you can just hit on save and then click on save and continue. If only you want to get a free Wix domain, you can have it. However, you're going to have a wixsite.com in your URL, or you can connect to your own customized domain, but take note that this is a paid service. And then just hit save and continue once you're done, and then you can click on preview to preview your site, and then hit and publish once you're satisfied. And that's it.